Did you just fall on purpose? Did you fall on accident?
No, I did it on purpose. I didn't realize the water was that shallow.
That's not my nose. I hope not.
Do I?
Yes, you do actually. Did you know that?
No, I just blew it out.
Oh my gosh, that was on camera. It's beach day 4. You can't really videotape down the beach, so it's a little difficult. Oh, we need a picture. Alright.
Matt,
Are you getting any more?
we're going to the pool. Do you want the little chair and umbrella to sit on?
No, 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 no. Maryland State record white marlin.
Biggest world record marlin caught.
I was over there.
It's a look at the size of it over here.
Then they lied to me over there because the marlin.
Oh.
Whoa, he's huge.
This is a blue marlin.
Oh, that one was a white marlin.
Disqualified.
Yep.
Nucci. Tom just got glitter all over him. Oh wow.
Sorry about that. No, that's good.
Sparkle. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Actually like that. Doesn't have anything on.
Yeah, get that. Get that as an Ocean City sweatshirt. That's perfect.
Very smart, Ellie.
No zipper sweatshirts.
Why not?
Because they look dorky-ish. Found a shot glass I like.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has a crab on it.
I have one with that on.
But it has better crab.
Where is it?
Over there.
Let's still look at it. Oh, that is a good shot glass.
You like it? It's $4.
You want it?
Well, I already spent my $3 on whack-a-mole.
Oh, shut up.
Are you seriously gonna buy it? How much money do you have?
I don't know.
Matt, should Tom get this shit? Right? Right?
I couldn't even get my shoulders in it.
It'd be really cute.
I'd be stuck like this. Oh, you in that shirt.
It'd be priceless, right? Would it be good?
No one got there without us. I'm sure of it.
So we just yeah. Look who it is! The party's all here.
Because I got off and I was gonna scare you guys, and then it opened and you guys weren't there. I was like, so monkey.
Last day at the beach, and check out this view. The sun is super bright this morning, and we have to leave. It's a bummer. It's hard to leave the beach. I mean, really. Are you sad?
A little bit.
You can cry?
No, because I'm going to my other favorite place.
Oh my gosh. Tom gets too many vacations.